Selena, Class 10, Chapter 14, Equation of a line. Sum number 16. In the following diagram, write down part 1, the coordinates of points A, B and C. The coordinates of point A is 2, 3, B minus 1, 2, C 3, 0 respectively. Second part, the equation of the line passing through point A and parallel to BC. Slope of BC is equal to the slope of the line passing through point A. Slope of BC equal to 0 minus 2 upon 3 plus 1 equal to minus 2 upon 4 equal to minus 1 upon 2. Slope of the line parallel to BC equal to slope of BC equal to minus 1 upon 2. The required equation of the line passing through A and parallel to BC is given by y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, y minus 3 equal to minus 1 upon 2 into x minus 2, 2y minus 6 equal to minus x plus 2, x plus 2y equal to 8. Sum number 17. B minus 5, 6 and D 1, 4 are the vertices of rhombus A, B, C, D. Find the equation of the diagonal BD and AC. We know that in rhombus, diagonals bisect each other at right angle. Let O be the point of intersection of the diagonal AC and BD. Therefore, coordinates of point O are 5 plus 1 upon 2, 6 plus 4 upon 2 equal to minus 2, 5. Slope of BD equal to 4 minus 6 upon 1 plus 5 equal to minus 2 upon 6 equal to minus 1 upon 3. For line BD, slope m equal to minus 1 upon 3, x1 y1 equal to minus 5, 6. Equation of the line BD is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Substitute the values. Y minus 6 equal to minus 1 by 3 into x plus 5. 3y minus 18 equal to x minus 5 minus x minus 5. X plus 3y equal to 13. Slope of for line AC, slope m equal to minus 1 upon slope of BD equal to 3. x1 y1 minus 2, 5. Point of intersection. Equation of the line AC is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus 5 equal to 3 into x plus 2. Y minus 5 equal to 3x plus 6. Y equal to 3x plus 11. Sum number 18. A equal to 7 minus 2 and C equal to minus 1 minus 6 are the vertices of the square ABCD. Find the equation of diagonals AC and BD. We know that in a square, diagonals bisect each other at right angle. Let O be the point of intersection of the diagonal AC and BD. Coordinates of point O are 7 minus 1 upon 2, minus 2 minus 6 upon 2 equal to 3 minus 4. Slope of AC equal to minus 6 plus 2 upon minus 1 minus 7 equal to minus 4 minus 8 equal to 1 upon 2. For line AC, slope equal to m 1 upon 2, x1 y1 equal to 7 minus 2. Equation of line AC is y minus y1 equal to m into m minus x1. Y plus 2 equal to half into x minus 7. 2y plus 4 equal to x minus 7. 2y equal to x minus 11. For line BD, slope equal to m equal to minus 1 upon slope of AC equal to 1 minus 1 upon 1 upon 2, which is equal to minus 2. And point of intersection x1 y1 equal to 3 minus 4. Equation of line BD is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y plus 4 equal to minus 2 into x minus 3. Y plus 4 equal to 2x plus 6. 2x plus y equal to 2. Sum number 19. A 1 minus 5, B 2 2 and C minus 2 4 are the vertices of triangle ABC. Find the equation of first. The median of the triangle through A. We know the median through A will pass through the midpoints of BC. Let AD be the median through A. Therefore, the coordinates of midpoint of BC, that is B, are 2 minus 2 upon 2, 2 plus 4 upon 2 equal to 0, 3. Slope of AD equal to 3 plus 5 upon 0 minus 1 equal to minus 8. Equation of the median AD is y minus 3 equal to minus 8 into x minus 0. 8x plus y equal to 3. Second part, the altitude of the triangle through B. Let BE be the altitude of the triangle through B. Slope of AC equal to 4 plus 5 upon minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 equal to 9 upon minus 3 equal to minus 3. Slope of BE equal to, since altitude is perpendicular to AC, slope of BE into slope of AC equal to minus 1. Therefore, slope of BE equal to minus 1 upon slope of AC equal to 1 upon 3. Equation of altitude BE is y minus 2 equal to 1 upon 3 into x minus 2. 3y minus 6 equal to x minus 2. 3y equal to x plus 4. Third part, the line through C and parallel to AB. Slope of AB equal to 2 plus 5 upon 2 minus 1 equal to 7. Slope of line parallel to AB equal to slope of AB equal to 7. So, the equation of the line passing through C and parallel to AB is y minus 4 equal to 7 into x plus 2. Y minus 4 equal to 7x plus 14. Y equal to 7x plus 18. Sum number 20, part 1. Write down the equation of line AB through 3, 2 and perpendicular to the line to y plus 3x equal to plus 5. To y equal to 3x plus 5 implies y equal to 3 upon 2x plus 5 upon 2. Slope of this line equal to 3 upon 2. Slope of the line AB equal to minus 1 upon 3 upon 2 equal to minus 2 upon 3. x1 y1 equal to 3 2. The required equation of line AB is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus 2 equal to minus 2 upon 3 x minus 3. 3y minus 6 equal to minus 2x plus 6. 2x plus 3y equal to 12. Second part, AB meets the x-axis at A and the y-axis at B. Write down the coordinates of A and B. Calculate the area of triangle OAB where O is the origin. For point A, point on x-axis, the value of y equal to 0. Therefore, 2x plus 3y equal to 12. Substitute y equal to 0, we get 2x equal to 12, x equal to 6. Coordinates of point A are 6, 0. For point B on y-axis, the value of x equal to 0. Therefore, 2x plus 3y equal to 12. Substitute x equal to 0, we get 3y equal to 12, implies y equal to 4. Coordinates of point B are 0, 4. Area of triangle OAB equal to half OA into OAB equal to half 6 into 4 equal to 12 units, square units.